Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Google Search Console coverage issues for SEO, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Google Search Console coverage issues for SEO, start by logging into your Google Search Console account. Navigate to the property you want to analyze. On the left sidebar, click on Index and then select Coverage. Here, you will see different status categories for your site's pages. Focus on the sections labeled Error, Valid with warnings, and Valid. Click on the Error tab to review specific coverage issues. You will find a list of errors affecting your indexed pages. Click on each error type to see a detailed explanation and examples of affected URLs. Take note of the error types, such as Submitted URL Not Found, Redirect Error, or Soft 404. Examine the warnings to determine how they may impact your SEO. For each error or warning, click on the affected URLs for more details. Review the suggested fixes provided by Google. In cases of Submitted URL Not Found, ensure the URL is accurate and the page still exists. If you encounter redirect errors, trace the redirects using tools like HTTP Status Checker. For Soft 404s, consider updating your content to provide proper value or setting up a correct 404 page. Once you've addressed the issues, mark them as fixed in Google Search Console. Return to the coverage report and select the checkbox next to Fixed Issues. Click on Validate Fix to submit the changes for Google to review. Check back periodically to see if Google has resolved the issues. Continue monitoring your coverage report regularly to prevent future issues. Utilizing this process will enhance your site's SEO performance significantly. Stay proactive in addressing coverage issues as they arise. By maintaining a healthy coverage status, you enhance your chances of ranking well in search results. Following these steps diligently ensures better visibility for your site on Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.